Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you on how to install Magwell for Glock 19 Gen 4 made by Agency Arms. Let's get started. It comes with the Magwell itself and also some hardware here for the installation and a couple of screws. So first let's take a look at the Magwell itself. It's pretty well made, I must say, and yeah, the finish looks very good. There is an agency logo right here, and yeah, so let's get started. So first thing, what we're gonna do, we're going to first thing first, we're going to make sure that the gun is safe. So empty mag, I'm gonna put that on the side. Nothing in the magazine. All right. So what we're gonna do first, we're going to install this block here. Just right, it says here G419, Gen 419. We're going to install it right in this hollow section right there. Okay, so we're just gonna drop it in. Once you install the block on this space, what are you gonna do? You're going to grab one of those screw and take the larger one, and you're going to install the screw right on the back strap. And use the bigger Allen wrench. And next, what are you going to do? You're going to install the Magwell. Once you can see the Magwell sit flush and there is no gap, you're going to take the small screw and you're going to screw it and that's it, guys. That's how you install it. And one thing that I like about this Magwell, it makes the gun look so much clean, and also when I handle the gun, it actually gives support to my pinky here. Overall, I really like it. I hope you enjoyed the video, and see you on the next upgrade video. Please like and subscribe.